Hello everyone, my name is Bolanle Akinyemi. This is my pest analysis on Dewey Motors, a car dealership where used or accidental cars are acquired through car auctions. The cars are repaired as required and sold to the customer. PEST is an acronym that stands for Political, Economic, Socio-Cultural, and Technological Changes in a business environment. The political effect on used car dealership requires dealers to comply with the Federal Trade Commission's, that's FTC, known as Used Car Rule. This rule is a must comply for dealers who sells or offer for sale more than 5 used cars in a period of 12 months. Any violator may be subjected to penalties of up to about $43,280 per violation in FTC enforcement actions. More so, in December 2017, President Donald Trump signed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act into law, making sweeping changes for businesses and individual taxpayers alike, including car dealership. Moving on to the economic effects. The projected economic effect for the year 2020 was projected to increase in comparison to that of 2019. But due to the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic, there is a decrease in the sales of automobile, and this could worsen the year's car sale market outlook if the pandemic is not contained early enough. More so, car dealerships are offering discounted prices to customers more than the usual rates, knowing that the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown across the globe has stalled the sales of automobile. This has posed as the single biggest risk factor for the car dealership. Also, used or accidental cars needs repairs and bodywork, which increases the cost of used cars. On the sociocultural side of things, customers like cars that fit their personalities, and buying used cars can give them this with a reduced cost. Also, creating a wider selection for different cultures and offering different styles, such as hybrid car vehicles, which are fuel efficient and eco friendly. Moving on to the technological effects. The use of GPS and satellite technology has made a huge difference in the automobile industry, getting everyone to their destination. More so, luxury is added to affordable vehicles for more comfort. Things like backup cameras, Bluetooth, hard drives, and advanced safety systems in place for safe driving. Even the ability for parallel parking are available to make car purchase more attractive to buyers than before. Thank you.